everybody, this is Brian with Wonder Arts and Adventures. Tonight I was just going to show y'all some of the paintings that I have laying around that are up for grabs, and I'll tell you later on through this video how you can acquire them or purchase whatever. But anyway, I just wanted to randomly show you each painting that I have. I need to make room for new stuff, so this is what I'm doing tonight. Just a quick video showing you all the paintings that I have available. It's a little beach scene with a dock and a guy fishing on it that I did. It's a 16 by 20 stretch canvas. Be asking $75 on this one. And this is one I did a few years back. It's old steam locomotive. It's on a 16 by 20. Also be asking $75 on this one. This little turkey painting I did back in the fall. It's not very detailed, but also be asking $75 on this one. It's on a 16 by 20 stretch canvas. This is also a 16 by 20 stretch canvas. This is a little fall barn scene that I did with an old antique outhouse. I'll be asking $75 on it as well. And this one is a 16 by 20. It's got a waterfall in the back and on the rivers, and a little cabin sitting on the side of the riverbank. But I'll be asking $75 for this one as well. And I know you're thinking, why $75? Well, you got to think shipping costs right now. Shipping on these things almost cost as much as the painting. And that's why I'm asking so much. Plus you got my paint, my time, canvases aren't cheap and all that. So, and this is really way lower than what I normally sell them around here on the beach. Because, I mean, some of my beach paintings and stuff I can get a couple hundred for easy. This is a little buck painting I did also on a 16 by 20 stretch canvas. Be asking $75 for this as well. Did this one back in the fall, and you can catch my video on my channel of me actually doing this one. This is another little painting I did. It's outdoor camping and fire pit setting. Painting done on a 16 by 20 stretch canvas. It's another one I did. And I believe I'll be asking about the same on this one, $75. And that price, you might be thinking, well, those sound a little bit, high, but thing is, canvas, paint, time, and then I have shipping. Depending on where it is, shipping is really expensive, so I'm not going to make much off of these. But just letting y'all know, and we'll get on to the next one. Now this one is a Jeep off-road painting for a lot of you out there that are into Jeeps and stuff. This one's a little bit more because of the detail, the drawing time of the Jeep and everything. And I do charge by my time. So, but this one's going to be $120. And it's on a 16 by 20 stretch frame canvas. Also done in acrylic paints. And this is a covered bridge painting that I did. This is based out of an actual bridge in Cleveland, Georgia. And I'll be asking $75 on this one. And it is a winter scene. It's on 16 by 20 stretch canvas. And here is another Jeep painting that I did. This is more similar to the one I own, which is a 08 JK. I did this as a mountain scene with sunset. And also I will be asking $120 on this one as well. And it is a 16 by 20 stretch frame canvas. All right, this is a largemouth bass that I did, 16 by 20 stretch frame canvas, acrylic paints. I will be asking 100 on this one. Now, this one is one of my favorite paintings that I've done, and I really am going to try to get into doing more like this. But this is where my heart wants to be, a cabin on a lake in the woods. Now this one's going to be going for 120 as well, and it's on a 16 by 20 stretch frame. All right, this one is a wood burnt steam locomotive from Helen, Georgia, and everything is wood burnt on that. They make it look like it has a frame on it that's all wood burnt in on one solid sheet of plywood, then painted, and then it has some clear over it, which is probably why you might see a glare right now. But this was hand drawn and hand burnt, and I will be asking 80 on this one. Now this one I had to cut the other light off of because of the glare on it. It has clear resin on it. This is totally wood burnt on one solid piece of plywood. Wood burn it to make it look like it had a frame around it and everything. But any of you people up north, Canada, anywhere you got moose and stuff might like this. If you got a cabin and collect moose, you might like this as well. This one would be $100. And it's, I'm not sure of the dimensions right now, but still it's already mounted, got a hanger on the back of it and ready to go. Now this is a wood burnt cabin that I did on a rustic slab of wood with a live edge bark on the edge of it. This one I'll be asking right at 100 for it. This was all hand drawn, hand shaded, hand done with a wood burner. And you could go see the video of it, Rustic Wood Burnt Cabin, on my YouTube channel. And make sure you hit like, subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification bell so you can see me do more of these. I'm going to be doing some more wood burnings pretty soon. Try to lay off the paintings for a while because paints are getting more expensive and stuff. But anyway, I hope y'all like that one. This is a 16 by 20 stretch frame canvas. It's a beach scene with a seagull. Be asking 75 on this one. This is a 16 by 20 stretch frame. And this one is on a Lazy Susan top. It's wood burnt. It's wood burnt mermaid, old sunken pirate ships in the background, sea turtles, all that. And it's coated with resin. And reason I got the light off right now because you'll see the glare, how shiny it is. But I'll be asking 75 for this one. And it's kind of heavy, but it's already got a hanger on the back of it. And I also have some pour paintings that my wife Krista has done, and hopefully she will show y'all those on her site, Kinda Country. If you hadn't been to it, go check it out, Kinda Country. And y'all make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe. Tell her you'd like to see more of these. She's got quite a few of them that she's been practicing on the last couple of months. And, you know, cheer her on. I know there's several people out there that's doing them and stuff, but that's her kind of talent. And anyway, y'all let her know on her site what you think. Alright, well anyway, that was some of the stuff that I've had left over the last couple of years, paintings I've done, and just, you know, I sell what people like as they come, as I do them. That's just, like I said, some of the stuff that I've done on my own. without any requests. So if you're interested in those, hit me up, look my email up in my link, write me, let me know. I included all the prices in every picture, so you already know what they are, and I can't lower them from there because, like I said, shipping costs, time, materials, and everything. So y'all help me out. I'm just trying to get rid of them. I don't want to throw them away. And you know, if y'all are interested, let me know. I hope y'all enjoyed this quick little video. This will probably be my last one for another week. I've got to go deal with a lot of stuff. And hopefully I'll be back soon. And we'll get on my next project I've got commissioned to do. So, well, y'all have a good one. And we'll catch you on the next one.